Whether you've got a work meeting, an online class, or a family video call coming up, this video will get Zoom fully set up on your Windows PC in under 5 minutes. No confusing menus, no guesswork. Let's jump right in. First, open any browser, Edge, Chrome, Firefox, it doesn't matter which. In the address bar, type zoom.com/download and hit enter. Going straight to Zoom's official site is important. It keeps you away from fake download pages that sometimes show up in search results. Once the page loads, scroll down to the section called Zoom Workplace for Windows. You'll see 3 options: 64-bit, 32-bit, and ARM64. Almost every Windows PC sold in the last decade runs 64-bit, so unless you know otherwise, click Download 64-bit. The installer file, it's called zoominstaller.exe, should finish downloading in just a few seconds. Head to your Downloads folder and double-click it to launch setup. Here's the good news: Zoom's installer is refreshingly simple. There's no wizard to click through, no options to configure. It just installs itself automatically. You'll see a short progress bar, and that's it. When it finishes, Zoom opens right away, no restart needed. You might see a checkbox asking if you want Zoom to update automatically. I'd recommend leaving that checked, since it keeps you patched with the latest security fixes and features without you having to think about it. Then click Done. One quirk of Zoom's installer: it doesn't automatically put a shortcut on your desktop. Let's fix that, and set up a couple of other shortcuts while we're at it. Click the Start button and type Zoom. When Zoom Workplace shows up in the results, right-click it and choose Open File Location. That opens a folder with the actual shortcut file. Right-click that shortcut, choose Show More Options if you're on Windows 11, then hover over Send to and click Desktop, Create Shortcut. Now you've got a Zoom icon sitting right on your desktop. Want Zoom on your taskbar or Start menu too? Just go back to the Start menu, search Zoom again, right-click the app, and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. Pick whichever makes sense for how you work. With Zoom installed and easy to find, you're ready to use it. From the main screen you've got 3 choices. Already have an account? Click Sign In. New to Zoom? Click Sign Up Free to create one. Just joining someone else's meeting? Click Join a Meeting and enter the meeting ID. No account needed. And that's it. Zoom is downloaded, installed, and ready to go on your Windows PC. If this saved you a few minutes of frustration, drop a like and subscribe for quicker tech how-to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.